Alright everybody, thanks for stopping by. Let's talk about it. So Albemarle, as we can see, has been in a downtrend for some time now. And we were hoping that in our move down that we could find some support and continue higher. Well, that wasn't the case. We got our support. Looked like we hit our bottom here, retested our bottom, but then we gapped up and went higher. Gapped up twice again and went higher and ran into that resistance area at $99 and sold off. Came down, shut that window, and went back up to try it again. But then we gapped up again. Opened up another window. So with that window open, we came down, closed it, and looked like we were on the right track again, ready to head higher. But of course, these trade winds were overhead resistance, were keeping us from breaking through. We just couldn't get through that 200-day moving average there. That's probably the simple moving average, but it may be the moving exponential. And that's the moving exponential 200-day. And so it caused a little bit of resistance, and then finally we couldn't do it and we sold off. Now it looks like we're heading down into the new year, and we may continue lower. I understand there's an oversupply issue at the moment, and then also it's probably a little difficult to mine different materials in the rain or in the snow or whatever's going on in parts of the country. Okay, so at this point they've probably gotten all they need for the year, and we're just kind of settling into wherever we're going to be at going into the end of the year. And we definitely have this window open. This is our big boys, so our LAC and our PLLs are probably on a pause right now as well, and you may be seeing those might be selling off at the moment. So keep an eye on our big boy. Be open up lower Tuesday morning. Most likely we're going to run head down here and shut this window before trying to retest these overhead moving averages, which are, as you can see here, can be quite a bit of resistance to get through. And not to mention the fact that we've been in a downtrend for a while, but we finally broke out of that channel that was heading down. And so now maybe we're going to come back, retest this channel to make sure we don't want to be back down in here. So that's all I got. Keep an eye on that. We got looks like another, what's that, $30 of down movement, most likely. So could present a good opportunity for the savvy investor. So keep an eye on that, and do it. What you can do, because there's some things happening here that you can almost bank on. Okay, so yeah, I think we're going to come down, shut this window, and then maybe head back up, retest these trade winds, because they're going to come down also and try to force us even lower. And hopefully we can get to some support in here and then go back up and try to get through that and go back up to where we're headed and head back to that $300 area eventually. Okay, but currently I think we're going to continue to sell off and retest these support area down here around $72. Okay, so that's all I got. Just wanted to come in and say that. I know if you're already in the trade and you were looking at these lithium stocks that I had listed, they're all probably well, not probably, they're all pulling back as well. Okay, so are continuing to fall. But at any rate, that's all I got for now. So thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for the next one, And be careful out there. These markets are crazy.